Hello, good afternoon all of you. Myself Dr.Suchita Wasudev Dighe from Shri Pundlik Maharaj Mahavidyalaya Nandura. Here I am presenting research paper on paleobotany for the call for International E-Conference on Innovative Research Trends in Life Sciences organized by Department of Life Sciences from Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola. My research topic is Report of New Akinal Fruit from Deccan Intertropical Beds of Central India. Introduction of that. The intertropical beds of Akola from Chhindwara district, Madhya Pradesh, India are classic one from where many fossil fruits are reported. The fossil fruits of Drupaceous, capsular and berry type are many, but single-seeded akin or sepal are very rarely reported. A few reported akins are Ceratocarpon spinosa, which put forth by Adav in the year 1986, Carathamus deccani, Mahavalycarpon deccani, Uttamacarpon Mahagaonse by Patil in the year 1974, Paparocarpon Mahagaonse by Kumar in the year 1984, Achinocarpon Mahagaoni by Gedam Kole and Kapkate in the year 2003, Saparaciocarpon deccani by M.B. Bobre in the year 2005, Cyclinocarpon Mahagaonse by Kokate in the year 2006 are some of the reported akinal type of fruit. Now for that I use petrified material, and method for is the fossiliferous cherts are collected from Akola. On cutting the cherts, the present fossil fruit is exposed in transverse plane as a petrifaction. The chert was macerated with the help of hydrofluoric acid. The preserved specimen was studied by taking serial peel sections. As the preservation is very good, the sections were studied under the microscope. After that, present fossil specimen akin is exposed in longitudinal section, which shows all anatomical details clearly. See, in that figure you can see the akinal fruit. The petrified present fossil specimen fruit is simple, compressed, small, dry, indehiscent, unilocular and single-seeded akin. It is triangular in shape. The fruit exposed in transverse plane. It is broad at the base and narrow at the apex, and is about 2.49 mm in length and 1.49 mm in breadth. The stalk of the fruit is clearly seen, and the pericarp or fruit wall is smooth, without any scales or hairs. The thickness of fruit wall is about 2.99 micron. The fruit wall or pericarp is not well differentiated into three zones. The pericarp is dry and moderately thick. Outer layer of pericarp is single cell epidermal region. Actually, it consists of oval parenchymatous cells arranged in single layer. It measures about 0.25 micron thick. The middle layer of pericarp is foliar. It is made up of 5 to 6 layers, showing thin walled parenchymatous cells, measuring in thickness 1.75 micron. It is more thick at basal while less thick at the apex of fruit. You can see in text figure number 3 and 6, and in plate figure number 3. Inner layer is about 0.99 micron thick, consists of compactly arranged thin walled parenchymatous cells. The fruit is unilocular. Size of locule is 106.56 micron to 23.31 micron. The locule contains pendulum shape oval to rounded seed, about 79.8 micron in length. and 38.57 micron in breadth. One end of seed is attached to pericarp. Placentation may be basal. Seed coat does not show any differentiation into testa and tegmen. Embryo is well preserved, measuring 1.33 micron in size. Endosperm tissues not seen. Seed might be non-endospermic, and in that fruit the embryo is not seen clearly. Next is comparison with already reported fossils. Many fossil fruits are reported from the Deccan Intertrapian beds. The drupaceous and capsular fruits are very common. Some berry fruits are also reported. The acinal fruits reported from families Compositae, Piperaceae, Erythroxylaceae, Ceratophyllaceae, Asteraceae and Cyperaceae. The acinal fruits so far reported from these beds are Echinocarpon mahogany by Gedam Kolle and Kopgate. Echinocarpon is a acinal type of fruit, oval to elliptical in shape. When present fossil fruit is compared with Saperaceocarpon Deccani by Bobre in the year 2005, which resembles with akin type of fruit monocotyledons with single locule but differ in having horseshoe-shaped seed, which is absent in present fossil fruit. After that, this present fossil fruit is compared with Cythoclinocarpon mohoganse by Kokate in the year 2006, which resembles with akin type of fruit but differ in having different shape, that is tapering at the both ends. Present fossil fruit cannot be compared in structure with Ceratocarpon spinosa of Ceratophyllaceae. Cerathemus deccani and Uttamacarpon mohoganse of family Asteraceae shows more differences, and the present fossil fruit is assigned to subfamily Liguliflori of family Compositae after close resemblances with modern genus Lectuca. After that, we compared these things with living families. For that, following important characters are considered for identification of fruit. First one is the fruit is trigonous with apex. Second is the simple indehiscent unilocular fruit. Third one is the single-seeded fruit. Fourth one is the triangular in shape. And last, akin type of fruit. After studying all the important characters of present fossil fruit, it is concluded that the fossil fruit is unilocular, indehiscent. While further characters are studied, it is confirmed that the present fossil specimen is single-seeded akin. Such fruit are frequent in family Ranunculaceae, Chenopodiaceae, Ananaceae, Rhizophoraceae, Rosaceae, Urticaceae, Piperaceae, Compositae and Polygonaceae. All are families of dicotyledon. Hence, comparison are made up with the fruits of all above families. When present fossil specimen is compared with modern genera of family Ranunculaceae, it differs in not having single-seeded stalk and beak. When compared with family Chenopodiaceae, it has fruit often enclosed in fleshy perianth. Testa membranous and embryo is curved, which is not seen in present fossil fruit. In families Ananaceae and Rhizophoraceae, fruits are single-seeded and indehiscent, but differ from present fossil akin in having arillate seed. When compared with modern family Piperaceae, it has small indehiscent single-seeded fruit but differs from it not having minute cotyledons and radicle. Then, when compared with family Urticaceae, resembles in some characters but still show difference in having curved embryo. shows some affinities to genera of Ranunculacea like Narvalia and Thalictrum. When present fossil fruit is compared with Narvalia having acyl fruit, oval to oblong and acyl with stalk, single-seeded, indehiscent but differ in fruit size, smaller than present fossil fruit. The present fossil fruit is compared with Thalictrum. It shows resemblances with stalk acyl fruit, single ovule, oblong, narrow. So, it is different from present fossil fruit. The present fossil fruit is compared with subfamily Liguliflora of Compositae. It shows resemblances in having fruit type, that is acyl, single-celled, exalbuminous, but differs in planoconvex cotyledon with straight embryo. The fossil fruit closely resembles with genus Lactuca in having acyl type of fruit, more or less contracted at the base and big at the apex, rarely winged, single-seeded, unilocular, indehiscent acyl. From the above discussion, it is seen that the present fossil fruit shows affinities with Lactuca, genus of subfamily Liguliflora of family Compositae. It resembles with genus Lactuca, having acyloid fruit without pappus, very small in size, triangular in shape, surface smooth, more or less contracted at the base, attentate or big at the apex, rarely winged, of family Compositae. Hence, the present fossil specimen is named as Ligulocarpal sahani. The generic name is after subfamily Liguliflora and specific name after paleobotanist Professor Birbal Sahani. According to the above discussion, diagnoses are fruit dicotyledonous, single-seeded indehiscent acyl with seed with pendulum shape, triangular, measuring 2.49 mm in length and 1.49 mm in width. The stalk present with fruit wall, smooth hairs and scales are absent. Pericarp dry and moderately thick, measuring 2.99 micron. Pericarp differentiated into three zones, that is epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. Single pendulum shaped seed measuring 79.8 micron in length and 38.57 micron in breadth. These are some references for this research article. Thank you very much.